Hi, this is Ian Elliott from Panosec, and this video is just to provide you with the latest reform of the Data Protection Act. It's happening in 2015, which isn't long to go now. The changes will see high fines of up to 100 million euros. The reason for these reforms is to give easy access for individuals to make compensation claims. So if you've got a customer that's unhappy of how their data's been looked after, which was your responsibility under the Data Protection Act, well, it is your responsibility under the Data Protection Act, they can now easily make a compensation claim. It's now an enforcement regime as opposed to a self-regulation regime, which is really important. But before, it felt more of a you try your best to look after the data, etc. But now it's going to be heavily policed, heavily enforced via fines from the ICO. Businesses now need to make explicit consent for data collection, data usage, and marketing. So whenever you use data, whether it be in when you collect the data, whether it's a marketing event or your website, any of your marketing endeavors, it's really important to get consent from the people that you've obtained that information from. So yeah, you're going to see huge fines and simple compensation claims coming in. Now they're going to get more strict. For example, John Lewis has recently been fined over spam emails. The customer that took them to court basically said that he didn't sign up for their emails because he submitted an online sign-up form. John Lewis thought that that also gave him permission to give him emails. Now, the customer didn't see it like that. He said that he signed up their website form, but that didn't necessarily mean that it gave John Lewis permission to send them emails, and that was what the problem was. So these are things to think about in your marketing. So yeah, think about that when we talk about marketing. We talk about your online assets, your online marketing as well as your offline marketing, and obviously where you store that. So data protection, really important. Okay, thanks a lot.